Do you have inquiries on your credit report that you want to remove? Of course you do. In today's video, guys, we're going to teach you how to remove them in 72 hours. Guys, stay tuned. Welcome to the channel, guys. If you're new to the channel, guys, please like and subscribe to the channel. It allows YouTube to push this content to a wider audience. Guys, like I said, today's video, we are excited because we are bringing a new series of what is called Credit Talk, guys, where we're going to talk all things credit, the good, bad, and the ugly. Guys, I'm Credit Coach Q, and this is my lovely co-host, my mentor, my very good friend, Tina Talks Credit. Welcome to the channel, Tina.
Hi, guys. Hi.
All right, guys.
Hi, guys. So if you have just been disputing your heart out and you're just tired of disputing and you need some help, we are a credit repair company, and I will be very much happy to take you on as a client. However, if you just have like some questions, or if you're a credit repair company yourself and you just need like some quick answers to some hard questions, please feel free to go to my website and sign up for a mentorship, or leave your questions in the comments.
Now, this episode is going to be a lot of meat and potatoes, so I really advise you guys to write it from notes down because this is going to be a lot. So let's dive straight in. So the first thing that you would want to think about when it comes to inquiries is which inquiries do you want to attack? Because you cannot attack all inquiries the same, right, Tina? You want to basically look at your credit report and see exactly the inquiries that you want to remove, because you have inquiries attached to active accounts, and if you dispute those, they might take the inquiry off, but you also might get the whole account shut down and terminated, and you can possibly lose the relationship with that potential creditor. Your credit cards will get shut down. You'll go to swipe and nothing happens, and because you decided to remove all inquiries instead of digesting and looking on your credit report for the negative ones in particular, right?
Exactly. And I have a credit report pulled up here.
Awesome.
So the best way to, when you're disputing anything, not just inquiries, but I highly suggest that you get a smart credit report or Identity IQ, or just a credit monitoring service that's going to show you all three credit bureaus reports side by side, because at the bottom of the report, as you can see, all inquiries are lined up together. So you just want to go through this, pick what inquiries aren't attached to any open accounts, and copy and paste mostly everything that you want onto your dispute letter. Now, I want to show you a dispute letter, and so basically the dispute letter is here. I have it in Word form. And so if I were going to dispute this, I would just copy and paste all of the inquiries that are attached to no accounts over onto this dispute letter.
Awesome. Yes. So basically, guys, you want to go through, first of all, you want to see all the inquiries side by side, right? As you can see, TransUnion is one, Equifax is another, and Experian is another. And all those inquiries are labeled side by side. And you want to go through them, each individual one, to see specifically which one you want to attack, right, Tina?
Right.
Okay.
Okay. Sorry about that, guys. So here is the actual dispute letter. Now, here is the actual dispute letter that I use when I'm disputing inquiries. So on this dispute letter, okay, so here's the letter. And so this is my letter that I use when I'm disputing for my clients. Now, what I've done is I've just copied the inquiry list off of the credit report and I'm pasting it onto my dispute letter. So you see this long list of inquiries. This is what I'm going to dispute. Now, also in my particular inquiry letter, you could take time to get any inaccurate names, any misspelling in your names, any old addresses, any unwanted employment history that you may have on your credit report removed as well. As you can see, I have a space for that here, and I've named some things here just so we can go ahead and get all that stuff knocked out at the same time. And as you can see, this is a simple dispute letter. It's not too much. If it wasn't for all the inquiries, it would be like a 2-page dispute letter. So there's your dispute letter. Now, the next thing that you're going to want to do now, especially like if you've experienced any type of identity fraud, or if you've experienced any type of thing where you're going to purchase a car. So now this next step, you're going to want to use the FTC fraud report if you are experiencing, of course, any identity fraud, or if you've gotten all your unauthorized inquiries from a car dealership running your credit too many times, or if you just see inquiries that you do not recognize. I mean, you could be applying for a home and they could run your credit like 20 or 40 times. So there's all kinds of reasons why you may want to file a fraud fraud report. So in any instance, if they are unauthorized inquiries or unrecognized by you, you have grounds to file a fraud report for those inquiries. So now, once you click on start, you're going to want to click on something else and then click on continue. So you're also going to want to describe what happened. Now, since I've already have my inquiries copied and paste, I'm going to go ahead and paste all the inquiries in on the describe what happened page. And then now I have something that I like to say on the FTC reports already here. So for sake of the video, I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste that here. And it's like a quick, simple paragraph stating what I found on my credit report, the unauthorized increase and things of that nature. Increase there. So bam, have that. Now,
and I want to add, not to cut you off, I definitely want to add that the reason why it's important to like have a different personal statement is because like you never want to have a template type approach when it comes to these credit repair processes. So like that's her personal statement that she used, but it's not good for all of you guys to start using the same personal statement. Basically what she's saying is that go when you put in the comment section, say I found these inquiries on my credit report, I don't know where they came from, and along the lines of that, everyone is going to say it differently. And then you just, if you have a storyline, tell the storyline, but don't use the same generic information. But
right.
I definitely want to add that. Go ahead.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So, next step, of course, you're going to report the details. Did you pay or send any money? So basically, you're just going to click no for that because that's not what we're here for. No one asked you for any money. So I'll just always put other here. Who contacted me? I'll say no one, which is true. No one contacted me. So here I'll just click on just a random date, whatever the next date that comes up. So for name of company, I'll just put numerous companies because there's so many inquiries on the credit report. Same for first and last name. This is just what I do.
Okay.
And of course, you're going to click, are you filing a report for someone else? But no, because you're filing for yourself. You'll put your name, address. You can put your email or phone number if you choose to. And then, of course, you're going to click submit. Now, once you click submit, which I'm not going to submit anything right now because we're not doing that. So once you've submitted it, it's going to take you to a page to where you're going to be able to print your FTC report. So once you get there, you're going to want to either print your FTC report or save it to your computer. So here is an actual real FTC report that I have done for a client. You see, I've blotted out all the personal information. This is just what your FTC report is going to look like. Here are all the inquiries named and just all the information there in that FTC report. And you're going to want to make sure that if you're saving it to your computer, save the PDF form. Don't take screenshots. A lot of people will take screenshots and then try to copy that and send that into the credit bureaus, and it'll get kicked out by the eOscar system. So you're going to want to make sure that it's an actual PDF form, whether you print it or if you save it to your computer. So the next step that you're going to want to do is go over to the CFPB's website. Now, that step is to go to the CFPB's website. So you're going to log in. If you don't already have a registered account with them, you're just going to create one. So I'm already in my dummy account here. So when we're doing the CFPB report, the first thing that you're going to want to click on under what is this complaint about, you're going to click on credit report and other personal consumer reports. And then the next, you're going to click on credit reporting and click next. Okay, and then you're going to click under what type of problem are you having, improper use of credit report shared without consent, credit inquiries, blah, blah, blah. You'll click okay. And the next question, which best describes your problem? You're going to want to click on credit inquiries on your credit report that you don't recognize. Now, have you already tried to fix this problem with the company? You can click yes or you can click no. I always click yes because most of the time I have disputed to some fashion. Did you request information from the company? Yes, I did request information. And I'll just say here, and you put whatever your situation is. I'll say no response because they are good for not responding, or they'll send you or back some generic letter stating that you need to get a letterhead copy from every creditor who listed an inquiry on your credit report. Who can get that? Okay, so did the company provide this information? You're gonna always want to click no, basically letting them know that they did not help you.
So lucky that I brought this lady to the channel, man. This lady is the go dope, man. Like, seriously, I hope y'all is really taking notes, because, man, like, this stuff is invaluable, man. Like, this is some great information, and it's going to work. So, guys, man, shout out to Tina for even coming to the channel and doing this series with me, man. This is amazing information, and I hope you guys is doing takeaways, man. She has so much in the tank. She has so much in the tank, guys, and it is going to help a lot of people, man. So make sure you always remember to go to her channel, Tina Talks Credit. Go to her YouTube channel and give us some love. Anybody that's from our channel, go to her channel and watch her videos and just show her channel love as well, guys. This lady is the GOAT. She knows what she is doing. She's one of the best in the game, and yeah, man, she always been my little secret weapon, man. But I'm bringing her to the public. So yeah, guys, take notes and just do everything she's saying step by step. Go ahead, Tina. I'm sorry.
Thank you. Well, this does work, and I'm going to show you some results at the end. So like you said, don't copy my generic message. This is just for video purposes only. So you're going to want to describe what happened, and I'm not going to list the increase again, but you can, or you don't have to necessarily list all the increase, but you do want to tell them what happened. And you can check this or not, if you want the CFPB to publish your description, you don't have to check that. And so next thing you want to do is you're going to want to tell them what a fair solution could be, or what you would like for the CFPB to do to help you. Of course, I want you to help me get these things off my credit report. So down here is where you're going to want to upload your FTC report. I always upload every dispute letter that I've created for every single credit bureau.
For sure.
Listing all the increase and 3 forms of ID. Because what the CFPB, what they're going to do is they're going to send your disputes letters, your FTC reports over to the credit bureaus to give them a chance to respond. Now, the reason why I like going through CFPB to get this done is because this way the credit bureaus can't send back any stall letters or say they didn't get anything or anything like that. And doing it this way, we get our results back in 72 business hours. So I'm not going to finish everything, but you know how to upload. You upload, you click next, and the rest you put in your addresses and things of that nature. I just not really need to go through all that.
Right.
So yeah, so I want to get to the good part and show you some and to the results. So this is 122 deleted increase, deleted in 72 hours.
Oh my goodness.
And a little personal information here at the top. So that's that.
Oh wow. So guys, follow everything step by step. I hope you guys literally took notes, been giving you guys heads up on that the whole entire video. 72 hours, you're going to remove all of your inquiries, guys. First of all, let's give Miss Tina a round of applause for that great lesson. Guys, if you found this information helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. Like I said, it allows you to push this content to a wider audience. Guys, until next time, take care of your credit, take care of yourself. Credit Coach, you out.